Introducing the new limited edition G-Shock MRG timepiece inspired by the tetsu-tsuba iron guard of Japanese sword. The traditional textured hammer tone technique is applied to the bezel and internal band pieces, where the surface are further hardened with coating using the arc ion patenting treatment, which also reproduces the alloy color tones of the timepiece. Bringing together innovative technology with Japanese aesthetics, this timepiece could be paired with a smartphone to automatically update the watch's internal data, including the time, daylight savings time, or DST, and changes in time zones. Now, we're going to show you how to adjust and use the watch functions using the MRG-Connected application. First, to connect the watch to the mobile app, enable Bluetooth on smartphone and open the app. Hold down the C button at 8 o'clock for 2.5 seconds to connect with the phone. The connection is successful when the second hand points to the C mark indicator in between the 11 and 12 o'clock hour index. Once connected, you will be able to see the time reception status, solar power generation status, and internal data updating history on the main menu. To adjust the time, swipe left on the bottom navigation bar to access World Time. To set the world time, click the arrow beside World Time, select the city, and click Done. To set the local time, press the middle exchange arrow to switch World Time and Local Time first. Then repeat steps to select the desired home time city. Click the exchange arrow once again and sync the time setting to the watch, where the local time is shown on the main display while world time is at the bottom. The alarm and timer functions on the watch could be easily managed using the mobile app. Swipe left to access utility. Simply turn on the alarm, set the time, and sync it to the watch. Your alarm is enabled. If you would like to view the set alarm time on watch, change the watch mode to alarm by short pressing the C button until the indicator bar at 3 o'clock reached AL. The bottom subdial now shows the alarm time, while the AP mark indicates AM and PM. The B button at 4 o'clock enables and disables the alarm function. When the alarm sounds, short press on B button to disable it. To set a countdown timer, set the time and sync it to the watch. Your timer is set. Change the watch mode to TR by short pressing the C button, and the bottom subdial will show the countdown timer in hours and minutes. If the countdown timer is more than 12 hours, refer to the AP mark for the time lapse, where the indicator points to A for hours 0 through 12 and P for hours 12 through 24. Short press A button at 2 o'clock to start the countdown, and the second hand will move in anti-clockwise, likewise for the hours and minutes indicator. To stop countdown, short press A button again. You're all set for the new Casio.